Ooh, with the beer's chain, hey, with the beer's flame, hey, you know the song is flames, hey, yes, I ain't playing, Can't stay, I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason, fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding, I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see ghosts, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the gal, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me gal. Pon the 400 quick, believe me gal. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me gal. Link pon the tool and so fries to the face, I hear the voice now, you don't know, say a Cogency. But a Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have KSI, No Time, featuring Lil Durk. Now, I know what niggas probably say, bro, fam, you don't rap to KSI on the channel. Blah, what, bro? Listen, man, we're doing some whole heap of different stuff on this channel, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like it, just go click on something that you like. You know, I ain't got time to explain everything, bro. But KSI, I've been watching KSI since I was like 12. And now this nigga's killing it in the music game. #1 album, #1 singles and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to check this out, man, for the channel. And also because I know a lot of people going and watch the reactions for this shit. So I'm trying to get some of the views, nigga. Fuck wrong with you. You know what I'm saying? What? I don't deserve views, nigga? I don't entertain you? Are you not entertained? Alright, let me calm down. But anyway, man. Check out my gaming channel, music channel, and my Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. KDC Visions. Okay. Gang. Hey, all over the place. Hey, I don't check it out yet, but from what I'm hearing, bro, amazing, dog. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I can't wait till I get to this stage, man, with some plaques above me with my YouTube play buttons and stuff. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. That's my inspiration. KSI is my inspiration, by the way, guys. You know what I'm saying? KSI is literally the reason why I'm doing YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So, big up KSI every time.
I ain't got no time for when I wake up, yeah. Believe me, I see through a lot of fake love, yeah. But I'ma let it go because it really ain't a thing to me, yeah. I stay focused on my trip, I'm flying. You stay high,
Wait, bro. It's too much going on right now, dog. I'm about to be like, yo, shit, we're back in the Tinder video and it's animated. But then you hear the vocal. That's not KSI, bro. That's not KSI, fam. I'm telling you. That can't be. That's fake. That's an alien.
but I'ma let it go because it really ain't a thing to me, yeah. I stay focused on my trip, I'm flying. You stay high, shit, you.
Yo, also, if you want me to do a assignment Tinder reaction, let me know, bro. Because those videos are kind of long. Just let me know if you want me to do them. You know what I'm saying? But, bro, let's hear the... Yo, close that mouth, KSI, bro. What the fuck, bro? Close that mouth, nigga.
I'm flying, you stay high, shit, you say I can just read your mind, zero mind. I stay shining, ain't no dimming over here. I don't go to panic for that interview. I can call whenever for that rendezvous. Feel the room, I got presence, and I never came in with a thing in the village where the only thing that they view is me. How can they cancel when the only thing that made me was me? Been gaining titles since a teen, ready to pre, and bitch I'm still here, standing like a pando tree. Bitch I am OP. I ain't got no time for
bitch, I am OP. Yes, I am, bro. Fuck off.
standing like a pando tree. Bitch I am OP. I ain't got no time for when I wake up, yeah. Believe me, I see through a lot of fake love, yeah. But I'ma let it go because it really ain't a thing to me, yeah. I stay focused on my drip, I'm flying. You stay high, shit, you say I can just read your mind, zero mind. I stay shining, ain't no dimming.
I put that shit on, I be getting from these owners, I be fly as hell.
Bro, whoever edited this shit, fam, like the animation, bro, this animation is disgusting, fam. Like, bro, they actually look like Lil Durk and KSI. It's crazy.
Ain't no
I put that shit on, I be getting from these owners, I be fly as hell. I get bro no hope about they out there, even though it's far as hell. I fly different bitches out the hang, I got 3 spots to chill. Ain't gon' lie, the way this K blast, I got them on for real. Put down that Drake, I turn this Glock to a fully auto. Gucci headband on my head.
Yeah, put a switch on that bitch, turn that fully auto. Fuck around with niggas, man.
Put down that Drake, I turn this Glock to a fully auto. Gucci headband on my head like Leonardo. Took a plane and 2 FNs when I went to Cabo. I was getting head on the jet, she playing mulatto. Made it out the mud.
Wait. Huh?
Cabo. I was getting head on the jet, she playing mulatto. Made it out the mud. Came from nothing, I'm a thug. Never asked for a second chance. I'ma go outside and jug. Perry Ellis sweatpants with 100,000 in the club. Surrounded by the same motherfuckers from my hood.
Don't take my time for granted. You seen the start to where am I, you know.
Whoa, where is Dragon Ball Z? Whoa, Dragon Ball? What's going on, bro? Well, hold down, bro. Hold the phone. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know it was getting... Alright, bro, let me just continue.
Sweatpants with 100,000 in the club. Surrounded by the same motherfuckers from my hood.
Don't take my time for granted. You seen the start to where am I, you know that I'm about it. I'm changing your views, there's nothing you can do, and I believe in my crew. I ain't got no time for when I...
Yo, honestly, if KSI beat Beerus a while ago, I would have been like, yeah, this nigga got a god complex, bro. Cause, bro, no. But I'm glad he make Beerus fuck him up still, so yeah, you know?
Know that I'm about it. I'm changing your views, there's nothing you can do, and I believe in my crew. I ain't got no time for when I wake up, yeah. Believe me, I see through a lot of
Fake love, yeah. This is, what that song name? Down Like That, when he was falling through the sky, yeah. Big up, Down Like That. Go check it out. I can't talk. Go check out that song, yeah.
For when I wake up, yeah. Believe me, I see through a lot of fake love, yeah. But I'ma let it go because it really ain't a thing to me. I stay focused on my dream. I'm flying, you stay hiding. I ain't fine. Shit, you say I can just read your mind. I stay shining. Ain't no dimming over here.
Ooh, with the Beerus chain, hey, with the Beerus flame, hey, you know the song is flames, hey, yes, I ain't playing, hey, just listen to what I'm saying, run up on me, I start spraying, in your grave, you gonna be laying, Alright, bro, I'm way too hyped, fam. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just focus on my dream. Like, bro, this was sick, bro. 10 out of 10. I can't even lie. The animation, who was it? Directed and animated by KDC Visions, bro. If when I saw that thing at the start, their animation logo at the start, if I didn't know it was going to be this shit, I would have bigged them up like 10 times from the start, bro. But now, KDC Visions, amazing, bro. This was an amazing video. KSI, this was an amazing song. Lil Durk with his verse already, I understand, talking boy turned the Glock into a fully auto, like... You see what I remember? The gun talk. You understand? But anyway, bro, check this out. KSI No Time featuring Lil Durk. Tell me if you want me to react to any more KSI songs. Tell me what you want me to react to next. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, girl.